Big congratulations to Hilda Baci as Guinness World Record has finally confirmed her record. Yes, she has been awarded as the individual with the longest cooking hour. Welcome once again to our channel. Yeah, welcome our beautiful listeners and viewers. I am your host, Hilda Baci, and please do not forget to click the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. Like this video and follow us on Facebook. And please kindly watch this video today. And yes, today is an interesting topic because we will be celebrating and talking about Hilda Baci, and we'll be talking also about the Ekiti-based Chef. Yeah, Chef Dammy. So like I said, today is an interesting topic, and please watch this video to the end. So on Tuesday, while everybody was going about their business, doing their thing and waiting patiently, yes, we've all been waiting for this great news, because if you've been following up on our videos, I actually talked about Hilda Baci and Chef Dammy in my previous video. Please kindly check it out, because what I said in that video is that some of the things I said in that video, that Hilda has yet to be awarded, have yet to be confirmed. Our record-breaking attempts have yet to be confirmed by Guinness World Record, and everybody has been waiting patiently because we are scared that we don't want to wake up tomorrow and Guinness will be like, oh no, she didn't break it, or we don't know. We didn't just want thing to go sour. No, she put a lot of effort, and we would really appreciate if Guinness at least do this one thing. And now finally on Tuesday they did it, and they confirmed her record, as she has broken the record for an individual with the longest cooking marathon held by an individual. Yes, but here's the thing now. We all knew that Hilda cooked for 100 hours. Like, if you have been following us with our videos, you've seen that I've been talking about Hilda Baci from the very moment she started her own Cook-A-Thon. And now I talked about how she was supposed to cook for 96 hours to be the Indian chef that cooked for 87 hours, 45 minutes. Yes. But Hilda had to, go further, with the encouragement and every other thing. She went further and cooked for 100 hours. Now we're all celebrating and expecting Guinness World Record to actually confirm that yes, she did 100 hours. But fortunately, as well, so far as they've given her the record, it's fortunately her hours were reduced to 93 hours and 11 minutes. Yes. Now, like I said before Guinness World Record will confirm or give anybody anything, there's a process to all of these things. You can't just wake up one morning and say, oh, I want to break record. No. There's a process, and after that process, Guinness World Record would review everything. Don't think they're not watching, they're actually watching. They will review everything, and after reviewing it, if there's anything you've done between the line, broken any rule or whatsoever, it might disqualify you, or the other way around. But for the case of Hilda, she wasn't disqualified, but rather they had to reduce her hours. Now, for those of us wondering what happened, why did they have to reduce her hour? Now, here's the thing. This Cook-A-Thon, or the marathon, the whole cooking marathon, you are not just to cook for the whole hour straight. Like I said before, please watch my videos of Hilda Baci, and you see all the rules and regulation that is needed during the course of our own Cook-A-Thon, or the whole Cook-A-Thon of a thing, generally. Now, one of it is that during the process of cooking, you can take a break. 5 minutes break. Yes, you can. They are not just going to tell you to cook. But with firewood, you can't cook for that long hours without even trying to rest your back or rest your body or rest your leg. But you're allowed to rest in between the hours, but just for 5 minutes. But then, I don't know, according to Guinness World Record, they claimed that Hilda took extra minutes. So probably while she was resting for the 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes, 7 minutes, we don't know. But according to their own calculation, they realized that she took extra minutes while doing her own Cook-A-Thon, and because of that, they had to remove 7 hours from the 100 hours and gave her 93 hours 11 minutes. Well, most important thing is that Guinness has confirmed her record and has awarded her duly. So that is really important, and at least she surpassed the previous record holder, which was the Indian chef. She cooked for 87 hours 45 minutes. Yes. So while Hilda have been celebrating, yes, she has been, it's a thing of joy. According to reports, she put so much into it, and she actually started she started this whole journey 4 years ago, because she was supposed to do it in 2019. Probably due to some things, like I said, it's not something you just wake up one day and say, oh, I want to do this. She has been going to gym, trying to make sure she's fit, the medical teams, trying to get sponsors and every other thing. And finally in 2023, her dreams came true and she was able to do it. And she did not only do it, but Guinness have finally recognized her and has awarded her duly. Now, during the course of this whole celebration, Hilda posted something online which actually touched me. She was talking to her mother. She was chatting with her mother, and I know that she would have been so much worried about all of this, because she would have been saying, what if they don't? What if, there's always a probability in this kind of thing. Then her mother told her, prophesied and prayed for her that her award will come before Wednesday, and boom. Yeah, our award is before the Wednesday. Mother's prayers, they are actually very strong, and we are glad that it actually came and Hilda has been confirmed. And Guinness World Record also made a statement while they were awarding Hilda, recognizing Hilda and every other thing, that their website actually had mad traffic during the course of Hilda's Cook-A-Thon. Now, this is it. You trust Nigerians. We don't joke about certain things, and I'm sure Nigerians would have been hitting their page and letting them know that one of our person is doing this amazing thing. Please recognize us. So yes, we might be in Africa, but please recognize us. I really love the support, everything that happened, people that turned up, influencers. The governor of Lagos State was there, a lot of musicians were there to support Hilda. Even the ones that could not make it to the venue was posting on their page, and the encouragement, it was really amazing. And I love Nigerians for that thing. When you are doing it well, you are doing the right thing, they will definitely back you up. So that caused a lot of traffic for the website of Guinness World Record. So while everyone was celebrating Hilda Baci, celebrating the fact that Guinness World Record has finally recognized that, well, there's another shocking thing that happened. Yeah, not on Hilda Baci's side, but the Ekiti-based chef, that Chef Dammy. Yeah, I spoke about her in my previous video. Please check it out, because I won't be bringing what I said there over to this video, but I'm moving ahead. Now she has finally concluded her own Cook-A-Thon. Yes, like I said, she is expected to cook for 120 hours, and she has finally completed her own 120 hours of cooking in Ekiti. Big congratulations to Chef Dammy. But there is a but in this case, and a lot of people are trying to get Dammy to herself to let her know that it is not about breaking the record, just to ensure that she's not just wasting her time. Because like I said, there is a but, and most of these things we discussed in our previous video. Now, a lot of netizens have come out to say that, okay, Hilda Baci actually cooked for 100 hours, and 7 hours was deducted from her 100 hours because she took extra minutes from the minute she's supposed to rest. Now, here's the problem. Chef Dammy had enough rest. Yes. Now, you might be asking, why is that a problem? Now, if she had so much rest, because according to report, people that were saying that, oh, she sleeps at night because her life is always off. There's supposed to be an evidence. Your life is supposed to be running all through the 24 hours. Now, and there was video also of her dancing. There was another video of her dancing not once, not twice. She did the Buga challenge. She did one of the Christian music, like we danced at the back in the days while growing up. I think of Pomulary, yeah, that's the song. Another thing is that Chef Dammy has not gotten a feedback from Guinness World Record. At least the other person that wants to attempt this Cook-A-Thon in November has gotten his own email for him to go ahead with it. But Chef Dammy is yet to get a feedback, and you cannot embark into this without. Yes, it's fine she sent an email to alert them, fine and good, but before you can comment, that email needs a feedback for them to let you know that, well, you can go ahead. But now she has not received that. We do not know. Anything can happen, but we do not know if Guinness will recognize that, because they did not give her a go ahead. Well, congratulations to the both of them, because Hilda Baci has been recognized by Guinness World Record for breaking the record for the longest cooking hours of marathon held by an individual. while Chef Dammy has finally concluded the 120 days. But even if she broke certain rules, it is still not easy to, stand and cook. We women now, we should understand the stress of it. Now you cooking for the whole people that are there. So it's really stressful. It's really an effort she puts into it. And even if there were some things that people said, oh, it's not sitting right with the whole process to Cook-A-Thon, but she still did something, and for her to take such bold step, it's still something that is worth congratulating and all. And like I said, congratulations to the both of them. They really took a bold step, and it's another way of putting Nigeria out there with a good image. At least we have the Afrobeat artists doing an amazing thing for us. And if we have people here that are ready to, like I said before, Nigerians, we have a very competitive spirit. We are competitive in nature. And when people are seeing this, that Nigerians, they are cooking for 140 hours for, like someone said, that you will not be surprised when somebody say, oh, I can cook for 500 hours. That's really to show that we have so much strength in this country. Well, thank you for listening to our channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. I hope you enjoyed today's discussion, and big congratulations to Chef Dammy and Hilda Baci. I hope you stay tuned and watch our next video, as I'll be bringing more and more interesting topics to our listeners and viewers. Do have a wonderful day.